Hello everyone again. So welcome back to our second session, right? So as you know already, for second session today we are going to study our grammar planet 1, right? But our textbook is finished already. So this time teacher want you to review again that related with our lesson unit 1 that we talk about noun, right? So do you still remember how to use with and am? Good. So right now teacher want you to review it again before we practice our exercise in our whiteboard. So now let's look at our whiteboard in here, everyone. So as you can see in here, here is the exercise that you need to circle the correct answer. But before you do this one, you need to know this one first, how to use with and, right? So teachers know that you can use it correctly, right? Okay, so right now teacher want you to know again or to remember again how to use it. So we need to use with consonant sound, right? So consonant sound we need to have like a letter B, K, M, N, C, T or Z or X, right? So any letter that is not related with vowel, so all that letter we call it consonant, right? And you need to remember that and we use with vowel sound. So our vowel sound we have 5 letters that you need to know. We have A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So you need to remember and you need to practice for yourself that we need to use with consonant and we need to use with vowel. And our vowel we have 5 letters that we have A, E, I, O, U. So if not related with A, E, I, O, U, you need to use with but if related with vowel that have 5 letters that have A, E, I, O, U, you need to use with and, right? So you need to remember it, everyone. Okay, so now let's move to our exercise. The teacher want you to circle the correct answer. The teacher have 7 sentences in here that you need to write down into your notebook, and after that we will do this one with teacher all together. So now teacher will provide the time for you 5 minutes to do it. So now let's start. Okay everyone, so I know that you finished write down our exercise already, right? So right now let's practice with teacher all together. Then you need to choose the correct answer, right? So before we choose the correct answer, we need to read our sentence first from number 1 until number 7. So number 1, it is an umbrella. Number 2, that is an apple. Number 3, this is an dog. Number 4, she is an girl. Number 5, this is an egg. Number 6, it is an cat. Number 7, he is an doctor, right? So right now let's choose the correct answer with teacher. So number 1, it is an umbrella or it is an umbrella. So which one is the correct one, everyone? So umbrella, this one is start letter U. So letter U is related with vowel sound. So when we use with vowel sound, we need to use with or we need to use with an. Good. So we need to use with an, right? So it is an umbrella, right? So now let's move to number 2. That is an apple or that is an apple. So which one is the correct one, everyone? So you need to check the word first before you choose. So apple, this one is cup or is small letter A that you need to use with vowel sound. So when you use with vowel sound, we need to use with or we need to use with an. Are you sure that we need to use with No. So that one we need to use with and, right? Okay, number 3. This is a dog. This is an dog. So can teacher use with an? So this is an dog? No, right? So we need to choose this is a adopt, right? Because letter D is not vowel sound, so that one is consonant, right? Okay, so now let's move to number 4. C is a girl or C is and girl. So which one, everyone? Girl. The correct one is because letter G, this one is consonant sound, right? So C is a girl. Now let's move to number 5. This is a egg or this is an egg. So egg, this one is E-G-G. So E, this one is vowel, right? So we need to use with a or we need to use with an. Good. So we need to use with an, right? So this is an egg. Number 6. It is a cat or it is an cat. So which one, everyone? Good. By your understanding, we need to use with because capital letter C is consonant, right? Okay, so it is a cat. Number 7 is the last sentence. He is a doctor or he is a doctor. Good. So the correct one is he is a doctor, right? Okay, so teacher want you to create your own sentence that you need to use with a and, right? For teacher, 10 sentences that you need to write down into your notebook, and when you finish, take a photo and send it to your teacher, right? So don't forget to do it when you finish our second video. And one more thing you need to remember again, that teacher informed you already that we need to use with consonant. And you need to use with vowel sound that we have 5 letters, that we have A, E, I, O, U, right? So now it's time for our last session today, and teacher will provide you the homework after this video, and don't forget to do it, right? Okay, so now it's time. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.